All right, so we just got to the airport. Runway is not looking too good. Pretty icy, bit of a crosswind. Might not be the best conditions to land on. I'm gonna actually go see, the taxiway is completely frozen over. So we're gonna go check out the actual runway itself. Yeah, it's pretty solid, iced over. So this is the runway. We're gonna go and walk over here. I have another option. The other option is, essentially we have a grass strip at the airport, and the grass strip is the same width as our tiny little paved runway. But the difference is the grass is nice and frozen and offers a lot more traction. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my truck, I'm gonna go up and down the grass strip, and I'm gonna see if any part of it kind of caves in. And if it doesn't cave in with my truck, which is a lot heavier than the plane, then what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna fly it in and land it on our frozen over grass strip, which has more traction than our ice rink of a runway. So let's go try it out with the truck and see what that gives us.
Hi, I'm Donna, a photographer based out of Montreal, Canada. In 2020, while the whole world was on pause, I decided I would pursue one of my lifelong goals of becoming a pilot. Follow my adventures as I fly around Canada and beyond. There she is. Oh yes, all thawed out and ready to go. Haven't seen her in about a month, but now it's time to take her home.
Saint-Hubert, ici Papa Cherokee, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, bonjour.
Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, tour de Saint-Hubert, bonjour.
Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, chez Hôtel 18, je voudrais une sortie sud, s'il vous plaît.
Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, le seul Roger, la piste 2 4 droite, vent 290 à 8, altimètre 3008, circulez via Juliette, affichez 0401 et contactez la tour sur 1184 à l'égard.
Tour de Saint-Hubert, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo avec ordre à 2-4 droite, prêt à décoller sur une sortie sud, je pense que j'ai du nord avant.
Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, la tour Roger, maintenez votre position pour l'instant, trafic en cours final et je vérifie où j'avais noté sortie sud ici.
Roger, parfait. Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo.
Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, la tour alignez-vous piste 2 4 droite.
On s'enligne 2-4 droite, Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo.
Next frequency and taxi Echo Bravo to Lux.
Bravo to Lux for Needle Wave 76, thank you.
Charlie Foxtrot Kilo, la tour virage à gauche vers le sud, pas plus haut que 1100 pieds dans la zone, les vents 280 à 8, autorisé à décoller plus du à droite.
Pas plus haut que 1100 pieds dans la zone, virage à gauche vers le sud, Charlie Foxtrot Kilo, merci.
All right, airspeed's alive, both places. 60, and we're up. Okay, altitude safe, runway gone, that's safe, that's up.
Even though this flight was a relatively short one, I cut out a good amount of the raw footage to keep things interesting. So please don't use this as an instruction video since editing can really remove the context.
Avec de Saint-Mathieu de la Prairie, Piper Cherokee, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, 1200 pieds, présentement à 5 nautiques à l'est des installations. Je vais contourner les installations vers le sud pour me rendre vers Valleyfield. Je vais rester à 1200 pieds pour te confier Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo.
Just going around some clouds here. Looks like really light precipitation. Snow, not anything else. Looks like the airport essentially is just outside of this light snow that's falling down.
Avec de Valleyfield, Piper Cherokee, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo en rapprochement 10 000 directement à l'est des installations. Je vais survoler la piste pour intégrer, pour descendre du côté inactif et intégrer mi-vent arrière 2-4. Avec de Valleyfield, Piper Cherokee, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo en rapprochement 5 nautiques directement à l'est des installations. Je vais survoler la piste à 1500 pieds pour perdre mon altitude du côté inactif pour ensuite joindre un mi-vent arrière 2-4. Alright, I have the field in sight.
Winter operations in Canada can be a challenge. Not only do you have to deal with snow and ice covering the runways, sometimes just spotting the runway itself can be a challenge.
Alright, checklist. Mixture full rich, fuel pump on, we're gonna switch tanks. Avec de Valleyfield, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, tourne mi-vent arrière 2-4. Alright, one notch of flaps. Two notch of flaps. Okay, our approach speed is good. Okay, there's a bit of a crosswind, but nothing crazy. Okay, let's straighten her out. Pull back. Flaps down.
As I had expected, landing on the frozen over grass runway worked like a charm. I'm really happy I spent the time inspecting it with my truck beforehand. That really gave me the extra confidence I needed to accomplish the mission. I think taxiing the plane itself to my parking spot and getting it in place was more complicated than the landing portion of the flight. But with some help from a friend, we got it done, and now the plane is safely back at my home airport. Well, that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and if you want to see what it's like to get your float plane rating, you can click on the video right here. Until the next one, fly safe.